Hey guys, welcome back on your most favorite channel, that's Yasmeenaholic. In today's video, we will solve exercise 3B of New Countdown Maths for grade 6. So let's start with the very first question, which is very simple. We just have to state whether the following are true or false. We will give example for each also. Let's start with question number 1. The sum of two odd numbers is also odd. Let's take two odd numbers. For example, I have 3 and another odd number is 7. When I will add this, I will get 10. So that means this statement is false because it was saying the sum of two odd numbers is also odd, which is false. The sum of two odd numbers is even. Even numbers are those numbers that are divisible by 2, and odd numbers are those numbers that are not divisible by 2, right? So let's move to the next question where it says the sum of two even numbers is also even. Let's try an example that is, for example, 2 is an even number and 10 is an even number. You can take any even number, right? And 10 plus 2 is 12 and the answer is also even. That means this statement is true, right? This statement is true. Let's move to the third one. Every prime number is odd. See, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. So 3, 5, 7 onwards are odd, yes, but 2 is not odd. 2 is even. So this means every prime number is not odd, 2 is even. So this will be false. Now moving to the next one, every natural number is either prime or composite. Remember that 1 and 0, 0 and 1 are those numbers which are neither prime nor composite. 0 and 1 are those numbers that are neither prime nor composite. So we can't say every natural number is either prime or composite because 0 is not a natural number, but I'm talking about 1. 1 is a natural number, but 1 is neither prime nor composite. So this statement is false. What about question 5? 3 is a composite number? Of course not, because 3 has only two factors, that is 1 and 3. So it can't be a composite number. Then the next one, there are many prime triplets. No, there are not so many prime triplets. There is only one, that is 3, 5, and 7, which is the only non-prime triplet. Because see, prime triplet means three combination of numbers with the difference of 2. 5 minus 3 is 2 and 7 minus 5 is also 2. यानी प्राइम ट्रिपलेट से आपका मतलब होता है वो प्राइम नंबर्स जिनके बीच में डिफरेंस 2 का होता है. Say 5 minus 3 is 2 and 7 minus 5 is 2, and they are occurring consecutively 3 and 4 5, then 6 7, right? Here 4 is kept and here 6 is kept, and the difference is of 2. That's the reason it's called prime triplets. I can't take, for example, 11, 13, and 17 is prime triplet. This is wrong. Why? Because 13 minus 11 is 2, but 17 minus 13 is not 2. So that's the reason this is wrong. This is the only non-prime triplet, right? So this statement is false, right? Now the next one, 6 is the smallest even composite number. No, why not? Because 4 is the smallest even composite number, right? So this is also false. Then the last question, the greatest prime number of two digits is 97. Of course, yes, because after 97 there is 98, which is divisible by 2. After 98 there is 99, which is divisible by 3 and 11 also. And after 99 there is 100, which is not two digits, 3 digit, and also it's not prime. So yes, 97 is the greatest prime number of two digits, so this will be true. This is the very easy question on this exercise, and it states classify the following into odd and even numbers. You already know that even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2, and odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. So you look for the last digit. See the numbers that end with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are even, right? Now see, these are even. The numbers which end with these will be even, and the numbers which does not end with these will be odd. Now 7 is odd, 8 is even, 0 is even, sorry. So you will write even, and then 3 is odd, you will write odd. 2 is even, so you will write even. Here also I've written E by mistake, it's even. And this is odd, so you will write odd. Okay, now we have to list the prime numbers between 50 and 75. Okay, so let's write 50 here and let's write 75 here. This and this are not included, so let's check the number between these. After 50 we have 51, and 51 is not a prime because the sum of these two digits give you 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. So this cannot be prime because it's divisible by 3. So we can take 53. We can't take 52 because 52 is even. We can take 53 because when you will sum 5 and 3, it will give you 8, and 8 is not divisible by 3. So this is there, right? Then what about 54? 54 is even. 55 is composite because 55 is divisible by 11. 56 is even. 57, let's check 57. 5 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. So this cannot be a prime number because it's divisible by 3. So we can't write 57 here. Then we will check 58. 58 is even, so we can't write 58. What about 59? Let's check 59. 8 the two digits, it will give you 14, and 14 is not divisible by 3. So yeah, we can include this one, 59 here. And next we will include not 60 because 60 is even. What about 61? Let's add the two digits. 6 and 1 will give you 7, which is not divisible by 3, right? So 61 is there. 62 can't be there. 63 can't be there because 63 is divisible by 3. What about 64? It's even. 65, it's composite. 66, it's composite. 67, let's check 67. It will give you 13, and 13 is not divisible by 3. So yes, 67 is there. Then what about 69? 69 is divisible by 3. You can't take it. You can just check it through this divisibility rule of 3. What about 70? 70 is even. What about 71? Let's check 71. 7 plus 1 is 8, which is not divisible by 3. So yeah, we can take 71 here. What about 72? 72 is even. 73, let's check 73. 7 plus 3 is 10, and 10 is not divisible by 3. So yes, we can take 73 here. 74 is even. So these are the prime number: 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73 are the prime numbers that lie between 50 and 75, right? Okay, in this question we have to find the pair of twin primes between 50 and 80. For this we need to write all the prime numbers that lie between 50 and 80 first, and then we will look at the twin primes. I will also explain what twin primes are, but first let's write the prime numbers, all the prime numbers. I will write 53, and then you must remember all the prime numbers on your fingertips till 100, right? 53, then I have 57, then I have 61, then I have 67, then I have 71, then I have 73, then I have 79, and these are the prime numbers that lie between 50 and 80. Now what I have to do is I have to look for twin primes. By twin primes, I mean the prime numbers that have a difference of 2. For example, if I take, we also have 59 here, which I have missed. I'm sorry. We also have 59 here. Now see, if you subtract 61 from 59, you will get 2, right? 61 minus 59 is equal to 2. And when you will subtract 71 from 73, you will get 2. So that means the twin primes here are 59 and 61, and also 71 and 73. Only these have the difference of 2. Why can't I take 50 and 53? Because these have the difference of 3. Why can't I take 79 and 73? Because these have the difference of 6, right? So I have to take the prime numbers that have a difference of 2. That is, when you subtract those two prime numbers, you get the answer as 2. That is only 59 and 61 in this case, and 71 and 73. Okay, these two are the only twin prime numbers in this case. Okay, let's look at this question. Question number 5. We have to express each of the following odd numbers as sum of 3 odd prime numbers, right? We have to write it in the form of 3 sum of odd prime number, right? So for this question, we must know all the prime numbers from 1 till 100, right? So in case of 19, what 3 numbers we add together, and the numbers must be prime, right? What three odd prime numbers do we add together and we get 19? So let's try. I can add 11 is a prime number. Then I will take 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 5, and 17, 18, 19, 3. Well, I got this one. You can also try another one. So this is one example of adding 3 odd prime numbers that will give us 19. Let's try for 35. For 35, we will require a bigger number. For example, if I try from 21 and then I add 11 with it, I will get 32, and then it will be easier. I will add 3 also and I will get 35. So in this way, you will do a little practice and critical thinking to get these numbers. Let's look for 91. So 91 is even more larger. So for this, I will take a greater number. That is, for example, if I take 71, for example, and with 71, if I add 70 for my ease, I will get 8 and I will get 8, 88. And then I just have to add 3 with it to get 91. So that means in this case I added 71, 88 and 3 together, which gave me 91. So we can also try another example. There can be a few more examples, right? You will try and you can comment down below if you get another combination of these, and I will really appreciate it. So don't forget to comment below. Okay, in this question we are asked to write each of the following numbers as sum of twin primes. Now in this case we have to write the sum in the form of twin primes. That is, the difference of the two prime numbers must be 2. Those numbers we are adding together, the difference between them must be equal to 2. For example, in case of 24, it's easy if I know all the prime numbers from 2 till 97. If I know all of these, then it will be easier for me. You can list them down and you can write the twin primes. For example, in case of 24, I have 11, and then the next prime number is 13. Now see, these two are twin primes, and when I will add 11 and 13 together, I will get 24. This is the trick. You have to add two twin prime numbers and you must get the required number. In case of 120, the numbers must be greater, and I will check for the twin primes that I have. For example, if I check for, I have to take some greater number. In case of, for example, if I take 59 and 61, we have a difference of 1. If I will take another one, I must check whether it's a twin prime or not. In this case, it's a twin prime. And when I will add 59 and 61, I will get 120. This is the trick. So for this question, you need to know the concept of twin numbers, twin prime numbers very clearly. In case of 144, it's quite easy. You have to add a greater number compared to 120. So what if I take 71 and the another one is, which is the twin with 71, that is 73. 73 minus 71 is 2, right? The difference is 2. And when I add them together, I get 144. So this is how I will solve this question. Okay, let's look at this question. Question number 7. Write 5 consecutive composite numbers below 30. Okay, for this question, we need to know the concept of composite numbers. Composite numbers are the numbers that have more than 2 factors, right? And by consecutive, you mean the numbers that are occurring in sequence, or they have equal difference between these, or they follow each other, right? Firstly, I will list down all the composite numbers that are below 30. That is 4 and 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. See, you will see a regularity when you will notice these numbers are all in sequence: 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. See, these all are in sequence with difference of 1. When you will subtract 24 from 25, will get 1. 26 from 25 will get 1. 27 from 26 you will get 1. 28 from 27 you will get 1. Such kind of numbers are called consecutive. And in case of these, see here you have a difference of 2. After 6 you have 8, a difference of 2, but after 8 you have 9, a difference of 1. So there are not 5, there are only 3, so you can't consider it. And when you will look at the next also, 9, 10, 11, 12, again you don't have a regular pattern. Here's the difference of 2, here's the difference of 1. So you can't take these numbers. So you will take 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. These are the 5 consecutive numbers that are below 30. 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. Coming to the very last question, which states write 7 consecutive composite numbers just below 100. See, it's asking for the composite numbers that are just below 100. So that means all the numbers are near to 100. What I will do is I will write 100 and I will write the numbers near to 100 that are composite and consecutive. Let's do it. I have 99, I have 98. I don't have 97 because 97 is prime. 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. 91 is composite because 91 is divisible by 7. 90, right? So count till here we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And all of these are in sequence, right? I can't take this 98. Why? Because 98 minus 96 is 2. They have a difference of 2. And all the numbers from 90 till 96 have a difference of 1. They are occurring in sequence, or they have an equal order in between. So my 7 consecutive composite numbers are 99, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. So that's how you will solve these kind of questions. A little bit of your critical thinking is involved, but you can do it. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Take care.